If you are using SBI Card application but you don't remember your mPIN and you want to reset it, no need to worry. I'm going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, the very first thing you have to do is just simply open SBI Card application in your mobile phone. And it doesn't matter if you're using an Android phone or an iPhone, the process is going to be same. Now, it will ask you to enter 4-digit mPIN to complete the login process. But if in case you don't remember it, then you need to select forgot login details. There is also one more option to complete the login process, and that is you can use password. So if you remember your password, then you can just simply tap on use password option, enter the password, and you can complete the login process. But as said, if you don't remember anything, just simply go to forgot login details, and down here you will get an option of unlock username or forgot password. So what you have to do is just simply tap on forgot password. Now on this particular page, it will ask you to enter the card details. So you have to enter the card number, you have to enter the CVV, and over here you need to enter your date of birth and then tap on generate OTP option. So I have entered all the details. Let's tap on generate OTP. You will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP and tap on submit option. I have entered the OTP. Let's select submit. And now on this particular page, it will ask us to create new password. You can also check out what is needed to create a password. It should be minimum 12 characters. You can use uppercase, lowercase, one number, one special character. Including all this, you can create a particular password. So I have created a new password. Let's tap on update password option. And now you can see we have created a new password, but this is not mPIN. Now we are going to create a new mPIN. So for now, just simply tap on take me to login page, and over here you can tap on use password, enter your new password and tap on continue to complete the login process. I have entered the new password. Let's tap on continue. Now you can see the login process is complete. In order to set mPIN, just tap on your initial over here on the left hand side top corner, select app setting over here, and on this particular page you will get an option of setup mPIN. Select that, create new mPIN over here. So you have to enter the new mPIN 2 times and then select continue option. I have created new mPIN. Let's tap on continue. Now you can see mPIN has been set successfully. So you can simply tap on OK. Let's try to log in into this application once again. So if I open SBI card application, so let's enter the new mPIN, and as you can see the new mPIN is working. So this is how simple it is to change mPIN or reset mPIN in SBI card application. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.